So hello guys, so now we discuss how many profit in 1 week this my world. So if you not know this, my hospital, if you have malady, just go here in Hilban. This Hilban. Hilban. So let's start. So I have here 10 BGL. So we drop it. World Bank. So let's see how many profit I got in Benz. So let's So guys, this is a clean profit in Benz. Clean profit in Benz in 1 week. That's the clean profit. So now we can check the auto surgeon if how much we can get in.
Mandaan na kita ng flag.
So now total of 39 DLs, 5 BGLs and 39 DLs.